Sino na yung may experience ng work sa inyo?
I think I started working the year 2023. I was a part-time student and part-time worker.
Who among you have work experience at nagbayad na ng tax?
In California.
California.
Where there's a lot of tax. I think 35% of my salary.
So they give you the full amount first and then you pay the tax, or they immediately take out the tax?
They immediately take out the tax and then they'll refund you if the government took too much.
Wais yung gobyerno. Wala kang takas because tinatanggal na niya agad. So, i-adopt din natin siya with our personal finance practices. Remember yung sinabi ko kanina, you should save 15% of your income. When you do work post-pageant at meron na kayong payroll, gawa kayo ng system in such a way na yung payroll account ninyo, automatic 15% yan, pumupunta na sa separate bank account para hindi nyo siya iniisip. Because one of the ways to be successful also is to create personal finance systems. If we do this, you avoid indecision. It becomes less stressful and it will increase your efficiency also. It will also reduce temptation. Tapos yung bank account na yon, kung may ATM siya, don't put that in your wallet. Leave it near the altar. Para kapag kukunin mo siya, mareremind ka.